Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
And right now we're tracking a storm that is making its way towards Medford. It's moving northeast at about 25 miles per hour. You can see right here this storm, and it's going to be making its way up our direction, hitting us most likely in the next 10 minutes or so. Now with this storm coming through, we could see winds gusts up to 40 miles per hour and the potential to see some hail, about a ½ inch. So we're going to keep an eye out on it making its way to us. But let's go ahead and take a look across the region. Right now we are still seeing some activity down into Northern California. We do have some lightning strikes to report in that area. We'll be able to keep tracking as we head through the night. We still do have the marginal risk for some thunderstorms making our way through tonight until 9 p.m. So if you are seeing some clearing skies, I do want you to make sure that some of these storms can pop up in the next few hours. We could see very gusty winds, hail, and also the potential for lightning. See some fire starts. Now go ahead and take our wind speed on the east side of the Cascades. We're seeing some very different conditions on the other side. Some very gusty winds out of the southwest. And then take a look at the relative humidity values. We're seeing some very big differences from what we're seeing over here on the west. And as we make our way through today, we still do have the red flag warning, and that is issued for most of the areas, but for two different reasons. Over here on the west, we are seeing a red flag warning from 1 p.m. till 9 p.m. tonight, with all of these thunderstorms making their way through. We still do have dry conditions, even with some of the rainfall we have gotten today. But if a wildfire does start, it does have the potential to spread quickly. And over here on the east of the Cascades, we have it from until 8 p.m. today. We have some very gusty winds out of the south and some very low humidity values. If a thunderstorm does decide to pop up, we get a lightning strike. A lot of these fires could spread quickly because of the very dry conditions. Let's go ahead and take a look at your current temperatures right now. It's being very chilly as we're heading into the night. We didn't get very warm today, but right now Medford 66 degrees, over into Klamath Falls 63, down into Northern California 65 in Montague, and along the coast seeing 63 right now. Tonight it is going to be rather mild. We still have the potential to see some storms popping up showers, I should say, popping up west of the Cascades. As we head into the evening about after 9 p.m., we still will have some moisture to be working with. And then let's go ahead and take a look at what we should expect for the rest of tonight. Now, we are going to be seeing some storms heading into the next hours, and we have the greatest potential closer to 9 p.m. to see a lot of these storms along the Cascades. But we're not going to rule out the potential to see a possible pop-up thunderstorm along the coast. Now, as we make our way into the evening hours and into tomorrow morning, we still do have the chance to see some storms in the morning, and we could possibly into the afternoon. So let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful photo we had sent in. I know we've had some pretty severe weather. We've had reports of trees being knocked down into Northern California, but there is a little bit of a bright side. Look at this beautiful picture. We see the rainbow making its way out. This over in the Chetco River. Let's go ahead and take a look at your Sunday. We are going to be seeing temperatures rather cool, about 10 to 15 degrees lower than average for this time of year. Again, we're going to see some pop-up showers west of the Cascades tomorrow, and east we are going to be seeing some very cloudy conditions, but still some sun. So let's go ahead and take a look at your 7-day for the coast. We are going to be having some nice comfortable temperatures tomorrow, so that slight chance for showers. And as we make our way into next week, we are tracking a system that is going to be making its way through and the latter half of the week as we get into Thursday. But over in Northern California, temperatures not looking too bad as we start next week. And over into the Klamath Basin, very breezy next week, and we are still tracking those storms heading through on the latter half of the week. Over into the mountains, the slight chance for showers tomorrow as we make our way through the day. Most likely by the afternoon, those chances will go away. On Tuesday, we do have the slight chance for thunderstorms. We'll be keeping you updated heading into next week. And back over into the Rogue Valley, tomorrow morning, we could see those slight chance for those showers. And as we head into next week, very comfortable temperatures, still below average, a little bit warmer as we head into Tuesday, but looking like we could expect a cool down heading into the latter half of next week.